sasa. One.
Mumeze neza bene data. Kuki mutavuga ubwicanyi bubera byo gucuruza inkingo mu Rwanda?
Why actually I'm asking, why can't you talk about selling vaccines in Rwanda?
Ejo bundi mu minsi yashize
sometime back
bavuga ko amagereza ari gusha.
They talk about prisons being burned down.
Kubera iki? Icyo gihe amagereza bavuga ngo ari gusha ngo hapfuye abantu abafungwa 300. Umugereza ya Gisenyi.
And according to the number given in a report, they said only 3 people died in a prison being done.
Mwese murabizi.
And everybody knows the story. It is on a record.
Bivongo bijya kuri gereza ya Kimirongo.
Then from there, another time again came to around prison of Kimirongo, also got banned.
Abo bantu ni strategy bari banafanya bakoraga migambi yo kwica imfungwa kugira ngo bacuruze inkingo.
Those are actually the plan by the government so that they get an opportunity to sell human spare parts from prisoners.
Aribyo Muhima yatangaje avuga na niriya Dr. Theoneste hategekani bakamate.
You have already seen on the video which went viral. Muhima talk about it, and also Dr. Theoneste didn't leave the story behind. It's already spoken out. Why as a social media we can't blame and condemn such a business of selling a human parts of prisoners?
Icyo mbasaba basi abantu ururimi ntazi mwe mu bigeze ni bari mu Kizuru mu bisimure mu Kizuru mu tafsiri kwa Kiswahili English French.
It is already my request, this business of selling a human spare parts of prisoners, you speak it out, you condemn in all different languages. Those who can speak French, who can speak English, who can speak German, who can speak Chinese, let's condemn such kind of selling human parts from prisoners as an example given by Dr. Theoneste and Mima talk it